A farmer plants fruit trees each year following a geometric pattern. In the sixth year, planted 384 trees. If the number of trees planted each year was twice the number of trees planted in the previous year, how many trees did he plant in the second year? So it's easy to do this manually. So on the sixth year, 384, and then twice every year. So if we work backwards, on the fifth year, just divide by 2, 192. On the fourth year, that's 96. On the third year, that's 48. And on the second year, that is 24. We just divide by 2. So that is the number of trees planted in the second year, 20. And that can be the answer now, 24. Okay, to verify this, let's use the formula. A sub n equals a sub 1r to the n minus 1. And our a sub n here is 384. A sub 1 is unknown. Common ratio is 2 to the n minus 1 on the sixth year, so that's 6 minus 1. So 384 equals a sub 1 times 6 minus 1 is 5. 2 to the fifth is 32. So divide both sides by 32, divide by 32. So you can cancel. So a sub 1 is 12. 384 divided by 32 is 12. But the question is, how many trees did he plant in the second year? So a sub 2 is just a sub 1, or a sub 1 times the common ratio, so 12 times 2, so that is 24. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!